Hello everyone, today we will compare Simplify and Empower, two of the most popular budgeting apps in the world. And in today's fast-paced world, managing our finances efficiently is more important than ever. That's where budgeting apps come in handy. But with so many options out there, it can be tough to choose the right one for you. That's why in this Simplify and Empower comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, security and privacy, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created the presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to make the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Simplify and Empower, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to their features comparison, and as you can see, when it comes to budgeting, Simplify helps set and track budgets while Empower provides customizable budget categories. So they're just the same. But when it comes to expense tracking, Simplify also tracks all expenses automatically and Empower also automatically categorizes transaction. And when it comes to goal settings, as you can see, Simplify allows setting financial goals while Empower offers a goal setting and progress tracking. So they're both the same. And another features that we have is the subscription tracking that, as you can see, Simplify doesn't have, while Empower tracks and cancel unused subscription. But when it comes to cash flow analysis, as you can see, Simplify provides insight into cash flow and also Empower offers spending analysis and trends. And when it comes to bill reminders, as you can see, Simplify sends reminders for upcoming bills, while Empower, as you can see, it lacks of explicit bill reminder feature. And that's their difference. So when it comes to automatic savings, as you can see, Simplify doesn't have it, while Empower facilitates automatic savings transfer in their application. And when it comes to investment tracking, as you can see, Simplify offers basic investment tracking, while Empower doesn't have or has limited investment tracking features. So that's their difference. So when it comes to mobile app availability, both platforms are available for iOS and Android. So yeah, they're just the same when it comes to availability. So now we're done. Let's go to the pricing comparison. And as you can see, we have five categories: free trial, basic plan, premium plan, features, and money back guarantee. And when it comes to free trial, as you can see, Simplify has 30-day free trial available that you can get into whatever plan that you have, while Empower offers free basic plan available. So their basic plan is free, so you don't need to have a premium plan in order to access essential features. While when you talk about basic plan, Simplify, you need to pay $4 per month or $40 per year. While when you have a premium plan, as you can see, Simplify doesn't have it, while Empower has it for $8 per month or $96 per year. So when it comes to features, if you have a subscription, you will have a full access to all features on Simplify, while the Empower has it under basic plan, but they have additional features available in Plus plan, meaning the premium plan. So when it comes to money back guarantee, as you can see, Simplify offers 60-day money back guarantee if you purchase their plan, their basic plan, and right here the $4. While the Empower doesn't have it, so they doesn't have any money back guarantee mentioned in their website. So yeah. So now let's go to security and so forth. And as you can see, both platforms offers a bank level encryption for data. So also when you talk about a two-factor authentication, they both have it. So when it comes to customer support, Simplify offers email support and fax, and Empower offers email support and in-app chat support in their application. So when it comes to knowledge base, Simplify provides extensive knowledge base while Empower has limited base available in their application. And when it comes to social media presence, as you can see, both platforms is active on their social media platforms. So you don't need to worry about their popularity. And yeah, that's it. So we're done with the features, pricing, and another additional features. Now let's go to the pros and cons. And let's start by the discussing the Simplify pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, as you can see, Simplify offers simplified layout in their app and make it easy for users to navigate and use. And they also helps users set tracking budgets effectively. They offer expense tracking that automatically categorize transaction for better financial awareness, and they allow users to set and monitor financial goals, and of course they employs bank level encryption to keep user data safe. And when it comes to the cons, Simplify lacks some advanced features compared to other personal finance app like Empower. And the users also needs to subscribe to access all features like what I discussed earlier. So you need to subscribe before you access the Simplify features. And also the customer support options are limited compared to some competitors. So that's their cons. And now let's discuss the Empower pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, as you can see, Empower provides insights into spending patterns and trend and has subscription tracking that helps users manage and cancel a new subscription. And they also facilitates automated transfers to saving accounts, and they offer tools and strategies for paying off debt efficiently, and they offers a free plan with basic features for budgeting and expense tracking. So that's the pros for Empower. And when it comes to cons, as you can see, Empower doesn't offer explicit bill reminder features. So yeah, that's very important. And they also offers limited investment tracking, not as robust as some dedicated investment tracking apps. And some advanced features are only available with a paid subscription. And yeah, that's it. So now we're discussing the Simplify and Empower pros and cons. Now let's discuss which one is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Simplify. So as you can see, Simplify is referable for someone who prefer a straightforward approach to managing their finance, a person who prioritize budgeting and wants robust tools to set, track, and manage your budget effectively, a person who wants to effortlessly monitor their financial transaction, or someone who focus on achieving specific financial milestones and want a tool to help them stay motivated and on track. And also someone who are willing to invest in its features, especially individuals who prioritize a user-friendly experience with comprehensive budgeting tools. So if you have all of these quality, I prefer that you choose Simplify over Empower. So let's discuss who should choose Empower. So Empower is perfect for individuals who wants a deep understanding of their spending habits and trends, or someone who has multiple subscription and wants a tool to help them manage and cancel a new subscription, or someone who prefer a hands-off approach or manual approach to saving money and want to automate the process, or someone who are focused on paying off debt and want guidance and support in achieving their financial goals. And finally, someone who wants a basic plan with essential budgeting and expense tracking features, and someone who prefer to test the app before committing to a paid plan. So if you have all of these qualities, I prefer that you choose Empower over Simplify. So in conclusion, as you can see, it's evident that both apps provide distinctive features catered to various budgetary requirements and tastes. So for individuals who value ease of use and efficient budgeting, Simplify is a good option because of its strong budgeting capabilities, intuitive UI, and automated spending monitoring. However, Empower, on the other hand, stands out for serving people looking for greater financial information and help reaching particular financial objectives with its extensive spending analysis, automatic savings, tracking of subscription, and debt payback options. So the choice between Simplify and Empower ultimately comes down to your individual financial objectives and tastes. Efficient budgeting tools, automated expense tracking, or thorough spending analysis are all important features offered by these apps that can assist you in taking charge of your money. So with that being said, our comparison is done, and the only question left is what platform will you choose? So that's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Bye!